Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole, and if you're new here, I share lots of delicious home-style recipes as well as baking tips and tricks. Today we are going to be making a really delicious, energizing snack. We're going to be making peanut butter and coconut energy balls. I love this recipe because it's super quick and easy to make, and you can store it in the fridge for up to a week as well, so you can just make it whenever you have some free time. Today is also my birthday, so it's a special video. Just going to be a short, sharp one today because we are going to be out exploring the rest of the afternoon. So get into a party dress or shirt and help me celebrate. So let's get to it. Energy balls are super popular these days. You might also call them bliss balls, and you can buy them in supermarkets, and a lot of cafes also make them as well. They're often quite expensive, so just make them yourself. They're so easy to make. There's just a few ingredients, and you can pretty much choose your favorite ingredients as well. The other thing about supermarket or cafe bought ones is they're often full of sugar, but these ones, you know exactly what's gonna go into it, and you can make them nice and healthy and delicious. They're raw, they're yours, so they're way better. So with these peanut butter and coconut energy balls, they're really healthy, and you can sub ingredients in and out as well, and I'll show you a bit of that as we go through the ingredients. So in saying that, let me show you what you are gonna need. Alrighty, so we have some creamy peanut butter, and for this recipe you want to choose a peanut butter that is more creamy in texture as opposed to some of the more oily ones. I also find that the smooth peanut butter works best for these type of recipes. We also have some oats, and these are whole rolled oats. I've got some coconut. You can vary the coconut that you use as well. And then I have some chia seeds. You could also use hemp seeds if you like. And then over here, there is some ground cinnamon. And then in here is some syrup. I've got maple syrup. You could also use honey or a different type of syrup that is more your preference. And I've also got a little bit of vanilla in here as well. And I also should mention, these are gluten-free. And if you are not a fan of peanut butter, you can sub out for a different type of creamy nut butter. As always, I will leave all of the ingredients in the description box below for you, and for the full recipe to download and print for free, head to thebombaker.com. So go and grab yourself a mixing bowl and let's get straight into it. We are going to start with our peanut butter and our syrup and our vanilla. So add them all to the mixing bowl. Get out all that syrup. Syrup is always so sticky. Lovely. Okay, and in goes our beautiful creamy peanut butter. Now, as I said, you can choose whatever peanut butter you like. I find that often the ones from the supermarket, you know, your traditional style peanut butter that every kid on the planet loves is your way to go. It's just got the right texture. So now we're gonna go ahead and mix up our syrup and our peanut butter. That has now combined really well, and it's still nice and smooth in consistency. So now we can add all of the other ingredients, and we're literally just gonna throw it all in the bowl and mix it up. We're gonna give it a good stir and combine it. And then we're going to start making our energy balls. So this is just my combo here. The flavors just work really well together, but as I said, you can sub ingredients in and out and make your own delicious energy balls. Nice, this is coming together really well. All of the ingredients are evenly distributed and looks like it's gonna roll and stick together really well. So now we can literally get rolling, and it's up to you. You can have big energy balls, you can have small energy balls. It's totally up to you. It just depends really how quickly you want to eat them. One more thing on these, so if you're finding that your energy balls are a little bit too sticky, just add some more coconut or a little bit more rolled oats, and then vice versa. If they're a little bit too dry, you could add a little bit of syrup or a little bit more vanilla. unlike me normally, I am going to make small energy balls today. So I've got a little teaspoon here, and I'm just going to, with clean hands, grab them and roll them together, just like that. It is my birthday today. I've gone out for a really nice birthday breakfast. I'm gonna go for an afternoon hike somewhere nearby and go for a little bit of an explore. And then tomorrow I'm seeing family, which will be really fun. They're coming up. We're gonna go to markets in the morning and then out for a lovely lunch. And you can guess how old I am. So if you wanna guess, put it in the comments below, and maybe at the end I might tell you how old I am. I don't think anyone knows. I don't think I've told anyone yet. But people can never guess my age correctly. So with these energy balls, they're really great because, as I said, there's not very many ingredients and they don't take long to make either. So you can literally just whip them up when you have some spare time, and they also store in the fridge for up to a week. So they're a great way to get in a nice little healthy snack throughout the week. And these are a much better option at that 3 o'clock slump when you want something sweet. They have natural sugars. The oats are gonna keep you going. They're also full of nutrients, as well as those chia seeds, also really high in protein. This one is my last one. It's a little bit bigger than some of the others, but that's okay. I'll probably eat this one first. Put it down. So how many do we have here? 2, 13, 14. They're tripping me out. 14. Woo! We got there. Now, although these are super delicious and full of flavor, they don't look super pretty just yet, and we eat with our eyes. So I've decided I'm going to go and coat these in a little bit more desiccated coconut here. So literally just plop it in, give it a roll, and they're gonna look a little bit more cute. See? Feels like Christmas. Feels like I'm making rumbles. But you can have these any time of the year. Same with rumbles too, I guess, but you know, they feel more festive. Yum, so there you go. I did half just to make them look a little bit more interesting, and I also want you to be able to see what's in the inside of these energy balls as well. So now it's time to taste one. I'm really excited to get this one at the back. Woo! These are addictive. I don't know why, but peanut butter is seriously just the best nut butter around. I don't think I could live without it. And I really love that the oats pair so well with this peanut butter. And then you get these little chia balls that just make an appearance, and the coconut on the inside and outside are just delicious as well. Yum, these are actually so delicious. I'm so glad I made them. I'm gonna pack a couple for my hike later. These are gonna get demolished in no time. They're definitely not gonna last throughout the week. I really like that these energy balls have a different to most energy balls as well. They quite often contain cocoa or like the chocolatey flavors. So this is a really nice one if you're looking for something a little bit more subtle, still super delicious and tasty. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today, especially on my birthday. If you did watch the whole thing, you might be interested to know I'm actually turning 33 today. So anyways, if you do like this video, please make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit the bell as well, because I have a new video coming out every single week. Thanks again, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.